Odin here, welcome to the channel, great to have you along. I'm in Bomaderry today and I am standing across the road from the train station just down there, but I'm here today because the Animal Welfare League have a brand new op shop that's opened just now, literally like a minute ago. I'm the first person here, so I'm going to take you guys inside. We're going to have a look, see what they have and see if there's anything good. It's only a little one, but you never know, some of these small ones can be absolutely fantastic. Let's go, guys. Oh, it's partly open, but so we've had one of these before for our dogs, guys, and they are fantastic. If you've got dogs, these things are phenomenal. We got the chicken flavored ones, and the peanut butter flavored ones I hope are just as productive as the chicken flavored. So we'll grab that. If you're a frog fan, there's a couple little frogs there. Bit of media here, nothing too significant at this stage. I think this is just because it's only just opening. There's not a heap of stuff here right now, but I'm sure as time goes by that will change. Salad spinner bones there. DS game, guys. Woohoo! There is that one there, that Mickey Mouse jumper. That's quite nice for $5. Probably get 30 bucks for it, but we're just going to keep looking. It's not something we desperately need at the moment. More here looking because it is the first day than the fact that we're needing anything. Oh, I think I do see something. Pure Western. $5. DMX, we'll grab that, that's for sure. Oh, we'll grab that as well. See if there's any good jeans on the rack. Levi Strauss, how much are they going for? 15 bucks. 514s. They are minty fresh. Stuff, you guys. animals. You can see there, supercars. We're going to scan some of these and see what we come up with. Okay guys, we're down here in Bommo in the little park across the road from the Animal Welfare League store. Just thought I'd quickly take you guys through what we've bought. It was $63 all up. So that includes a couple of personal items like this for $3, which is cool, and this for $3. So ultimately we paid about 60 bucks all up. These shoes here, the Adidas, I didn't check them, but they are clean there. And they were $20, pretty much brand new condition. I can't see anywhere, like nothing on the soles, so 20 bucks for those. Hopefully they'll get me somewhere between like 60 and 100. I've got to look them up still. This little Squishmallow for $2. I've got a bundle of Squishmallows all ready to list, so that's one of the plans for this week, so hopefully I can get that little sucker up with the rest of them. I got the two jerseys, I guess you could call this one, the DMX. I'm hoping, you know, due to the fact that he's now actually passed, that we might get some good money for them. It's a bad thing to say, but ultimately that's the reality of it. And then I've got these Lakers LeBron James NBA Authentics. Yeah, so pretty cool. Then just a stack of DVDs, guys. So, you know, a couple of good ones in here. The Double Footloose and Flashdance. Downton Abbey for $3. And the other good one that we got for $2 is this Red Dwarf. That one goes for about $40, somewhere between $30 and $40, and we paid $2. So nice little haul today with the new op shop. It's only small. I'm not expecting to be able to get stuff regularly from it, just because of the size of it, but it will be something I come past, you know, every now and again. It's on my way to my boss's house essentially. It's on my way out of town quite regularly, so I'll be past it every now and again, and hopefully we can find some more stuff. But that's it for today, guys. Hope you have a great week. This is Monday. This is Falls Creek Flips, and what do we say? Just keep flipping.